Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Splash Resort 1903W. It's a none-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, beachfront, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a fitness center. Splash Resort 1903W is located on the beachfront in Panama City Beach, a few steps from Panama City Beach and a 9-minute walk from Laguna Beach. The property is around 2.4 miles from Russell-Fields Pier, 2.6 miles from Pier Park and 3.1 miles from Gulf World Marine Park. The rooms have a patio with pool views and free Wi-Fi. Guest rooms at the hotel include air conditioning, a TV with cable channels, DVD player, and a private bathroom with a bath or shower, a hairdryer and free toiletries. Each room is equipped with a coffee machine, while some rooms are equipped with a kitchen with a dishwasher, a microwave and a fridge. All rooms will provide guests with an oven. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.